Hi there! If your FaceTime video calls are giving you trouble, I totally understand how frustrating that can be, especially when you're counting on it for a face-to-face conversation. Sometimes the issue comes from network hiccups, incorrect settings, or even a little software glitch. But don't worry, I have put together a simple guide that will help you troubleshoot and get your FaceTime working smoothly again. Let's dive in. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. First, swipe down from the top to open your control center. Then, confirm that you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular network. Now, open a browser. Next, go to a site like fast.com to check your internet speed. If your connection seems weak or slow, try turning on airplane mode for about 20 seconds. Then, switch it back off. Or you might also try toggling between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see if that helps. Solution 2. Restart FaceTime. Sometimes restarting the FaceTime app can solve temporary video call issues. Start by swiping up from the bottom or double-clicking the home button to open the app switcher. Then swipe up on FaceTime to fully close it. Now go to Settings. After that, scroll down and tap on Apps. Next, keep scrolling until you find FaceTime. Then tap on it. Turn off FaceTime for about 20 seconds. Now, turn it back on. After that, scroll down and select Blocked Contacts. Check that you're not blocking anyone on FaceTime. If you have blocked someone, go ahead and unblock them. Then reopen FaceTime and try making an audio call again. Solution 3. Offload FaceTime. If FaceTime's data is causing issues, offloading it can help clear things up. Open Settings, scroll down and tap on General. Then tap on iPhone Storage. Next, find FaceTime in the list and tap on it. Tap Offload App, then confirm the action. After that, reinstall FaceTime to get a fresh start. Solution 4. Verify date and time settings. Start by opening Settings. Then, scroll down and tap on General. Keep scrolling down and tap on Date and Time. Make sure the Set Automatically option is toggled on. This ensures that your date and time are accurate, which is essential for FaceTime to work correctly. Solution 5. Update iOS. Updating iOS can often fix software bugs that might be messing with FaceTime. Open Settings, scroll down and tap on General. Then tap Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and install to get your iPhone updated. Solution 6. Reset all settings. If the problem persists, a settings reset might be the way to go. Open Settings, tap on General. Scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Choose Reset, then select Reset All Settings. Confirm your choice. Keep in mind, this will reset settings like Wi-Fi passwords and wallpaper, but won't delete any of your personal data. By following these steps, you should be back to making smooth FaceTime calls in no time. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.